In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a HP DeskJet 4310 printer. So maybe you're having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi or you just want to sell the printer. This is how to restore it back to the default settings. You need to come to the front of the printer and open up this door at the bottom, and then open up the second cartridge door in behind. So once you've done that, come to the printer's control panel and you want to press the power button and the Wi-Fi button at the same time. So press and hold them in like this for around 10 seconds. And if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you'll see that it's reset and the power button will begin to flash. And you need to keep this cartridge door open for around 20 seconds after you've done that. You'll hear the printer begin to make some noises. This means it's reset successfully, and then you'll see some buttons flash here on the control panel. After a while, the printer is going to restart, so it'll turn off and then turn on again, and it's going to be completely reset.